Hello viewers. Earlier this year, I shared that Microsoft was redesigning the icons for its Office apps, and now, it's official. Microsoft has announced a complete refresh of the Microsoft 365 icons, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. These new icons have a modern, 3D-inspired design that reflects AI and Copilot integration, showing how Microsoft 365 is evolving into a unified, intelligent experience. The icons feature vibrant colors, clear shapes, and a connected design system that matches the new AI-powered direction. Microsoft also revealed a behind-the-scenes look at how these icons were created, with multiple design versions tested for each app before finalizing the perfect one. It's amazing to see the evolution of the Office icons from 2003 to this brand new 2025 look. The redesigned icons will begin rolling out soon across desktop, mobile, and web for all Microsoft 365 users. So keep an eye out, your favorite Office apps are about to get a fresh, AI-inspired look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.